The secret to using ChatGPT prompts to make money online is to have a specific strategy for creating content that helps people solve a problem. Today, yesterday, last 7 days, last month, this happened because I had a specific outcome in mind of actually how to help people solve a problem by using ChatGPT to help me to create content. So we go over to ChatGPT and I have a PDF here, AI Branding Blueprint PDF. I start with this prompt here, read the attached PDF and summarize it for me and give me the main points in bullet format. Now, I have the PDF, and there's a link in the description. I'll give this to you for free with PLR rights because I want you to be able to follow along and do this with me. But of course, you can read this PDF, go through the table of contents, read all, I believe it is 51 pages, read it all, which you should do. But the point of ChatGPT and a good prompt, read the attached PDF and summarize it for me and give me the main points in bullet format. Notice I said a good prompt. We're going to look at some way better prompts and the secret to actually getting ChatGPT to take us to the money. But the AI Branding Blueprint Special Report is a comprehensive guide that shows entrepreneurs, creators, and small business owners how to build or rebrand a high-converting brand using AI tools without needing a big team or skill. Understand, this guide is showing entrepreneurs, creators, and small business owners. It's not specific enough. You need to be more specific. This is giving you a summary. It's a summary of what the guide is about. The guide, we have a PLR license to it to take it and make it our own. So let's pull out the parts and pieces and get more specific with the content that we're going to create. Again, good prompt. Gives me exactly the main points, and ChatGPT is giving me an idea and understanding of what's in this PDF. You don't need a big team or a huge budget. With AI tools, a clear direction, you can build a powerful aligned brand that feels authentic, resonates with the right audience, and grows with you. AI is your creative co-pilot, not your replacement. This is speaking to us as much as it is, in this case, to the entrepreneurs, creators, and small business owners that want to learn how to build a brand. Of course, in this case, I'm using the AI Branding Blueprint to show you how to create content to attract a very specific audience in the world of AI. But you could do this with any piece of content in any niche around any topic. So a better prompt, a more specific prompt that sort of turns things, flips things, if you will, upside down and gives you a better idea of what the main point or what outcome that you can lead a specific group of people that have a problem to as an affiliate or with your own product. Read the attached PDF. Give me a bullet point list of the main points in reverse order of the way they occur in the PDF. Start with the ending and work backwards to the beginning of the PDF and explain how it makes a difference to the information. Then tell me who this PDF is for. Let's get specific on what we want, what outcome we want. Tell me who this PDF is for, meaning what problem does it solve and for whom and why would they want to read it. Here's a reverse order bullet point summary of the main points. Again, you could read the PDF and understand that from back to front, it's starting with resources and VIP access with a list of tools. It is showing you how to brand like a pro, and it encourages solo entrepreneurs that AI makes building a high quality brand possible. So here's what we want to focus on: solo entrepreneurs. Now this is going to go on down here, and it's going to focus on how this specific outcome that we requested from the AI reframes the document, reframes the PDF, the information. And then down here, you can see who this PDF is for and the problem it solves. Now it's digging into the detail because we got specific that we wanted to know who this PDF is for and what problem does it solve. Then we go and we get more specific with prompting. And prompting is just using AI as an assistant. and having a brainstorming session. If you don't have a specific framework. Now, I'm going to show you a specific framework, and I'm also going to show you how to get it for free based on my prompt psyop philosophy. But I wanted to show you this brainstorming session so you really understand it's not about the prompt, it's about the content that you want to create based on the problem that you've identified for a specific audience or a target audience or a group of people that have a problem that you have the solution for. Now, you must pick one of the group of people from the target audience list you provided and create a single piece of content that solved the problem of branding being overwhelming. Which one part of the PDF would you use and why? You must also create one how-to question that is not in the PDF and create an answer to that question that is a solution. The answer can be multiple parts, but it can only be one question. And what would the outcome be for the target audience after they have the answers? We're adding in constraints. We're telling the AI, in this case, ChatGPT, we're having the conversation. We're telling it what it can't do to give us the result, the specific result we're looking for. Great. Let's walk through this step by step. Selected target audience, solo entrepreneurs. These individuals launching or running a business on their own, often juggling multiple roles without a team. Branding can feel especially overwhelming to them because they're expected to wear the hats of the strategist, designer, writer, and marketer simultaneously. One part of the PDF to solve their problem, defining your branding vision and starting with AI. Why this section? Because solo entrepreneurs don't struggle with design tools first. They struggle with knowing what their brand even stands for. One how-to question that's not in the PDF. How do I use AI to test my brand vision? Or how do I use AI to test if my brand vision resonates with real people before I invest time and money into designing it? The answer, multi-part, but only one question. All of the answers. Realize that all of these answers are content. All right. The outcome for the solopreneur is what you're leading them to. That's the solution. Either an affiliate offer that you have, starting with a lead magnet, right? Create a lead magnet, let them opt into your email list. That leads them to the solution, either an affiliate offer or a product that you're selling. Let's get more specific. Here I've uploaded the AI branding blueprint PDF. Again, link in the description. You can grab a copy of this. You get PLR rights with that. I'm giving that to you, the AI branding blueprint, so you can do exactly what I'm doing right here. Also, the link in the description will show you how to get my prompt psyops strip and flip PLR framework. So you can do this on the AI branding blueprint or any other PLR that you might have. You can get that for free at the link in the description. It'll explain all that to you. But understand now I'm running a complete framework, the strip and flip framework. So I'm getting very, very specific. Great, you've uploaded the AI branding blueprint and the prompt psyop strip and flip PLR framework. Now let's apply the strip and flip framework directly to the AI branding blueprint to weaponize it into custom, high converting, original content. The strip and flip AI branding blueprint edition, step 1, strip the surface, extract the core transformation from the PLR. This report teaches entrepreneurs how to build or rebrand a business using AI tools, from identifying a brand, vision, voice, and visual identity to executing marketing, message, and scaling strategies without needing a big team or agency. Before, that entrepreneur was overwhelmed with no clear brand, lacking identity, tools, and momentum. After we strip the surface of the PLR, now we're going to present a solution so we have a confident solo creator with a sharp AI-built brand ready to launch and scale fast after they go through our content. We find a new angle. We get specific with the angle. The angle, problem first. We're targeting solopreneurs or small creators, but really pick one or the other, right? A solopreneur who is a small creator who feels invisible or stuck trying to differentiate themselves in a crowded digital space. And that might sound familiar. That might be you. So then we reframe the prompt and we have the AI rewrite this content for solo digital creators struggling to stand out online. Then we flip the framework and we actually rebrand it into a system, and we call it the brand engine. Build, refine, align, name, deploy. Build your foundation, refine your voice, align identity and your offer, name and your difference, deploy it with confidence. create a tagline. We're actually branding here. We're building our brand using AI. It's a little meta, right, with this document, with this PDF, this PLR that we have. And again, you could do this with anything, but my focus is on using AI and showing you how to do it. And then if you want to use this, if you're building your own audience or if you want to do this yourself, grab that PLR and you can use this to actually understand how you can personalize this. And again, personalize with PsyOps, that's my prompt PsyOps philosophy. We're going to create a new tone and structure using direct response plus emotional anchoring, going to create a hook. We're going to define the problem and then agitate the problem. These are marketing tactics and techniques. We're going to provide a solution and shift belief on the fact that they can get this done. And then we're going to provide a soft CTA and allow them to understand that they can come and get the full brand engine, which is a step-by-step AI-fueled blueprint that we're going to create. Then, of course, down here in step 5, this is where we really get specific with the strategy and we understand that we need to stack and scale this. Create a 5-day email sequence. Create a lead magnet, social posts, or YouTube videos, content that we're going to put out on the internet, which leads me to a very specific strategy. Of course, the prompt PsyOps strip and flip framework is very specific to transform PLR into powerful, personalized, profit-ready content from using my prompt PsyOps philosophy. But the specific strategy, going back to this, to step 5, stack and scale, because down here, we're talking about creating the actual content. Are you ready to create a PDF? And here I said, yeah, please create the lead magnet. And then it does. Here's the first draft version of the lead magnet, an AI-powered branding starter kit. Remember, we started with this AI branding blueprint, how to build a high-converting brand using the power of AI, a 51-page document that, of course, we can use to create. We could break this into a course, a mini course, right, or a tripwire product, but we need a lead magnet to lead people to the full AI branding blueprint, or what we have created now called our brand engine, because we flipped the framework and we built our brand engine, but we're starting with a simple lead magnet that we can deliver by creating content here on the internet and then using that content as traffic, which leads me to my affiliate and profitable online business 9-step roadmap and my proven top strategy, traffic. Pick a topic, which is what we've done here. We've got really specific on what our topic is and that one question that we're going to solve, that one problem, that one pain point, and for whom. Tools, tech, and time. We're using AI. We understand that we need to create consistent content, and then we need to create a super simple lead magnet. Well, the AI did that for us already, created the AI-powered branding starter kit using the strip and flip method. So all that's taken care of for us, and we present our offer, if we want to create our own offer or link over to an affiliate offer. And then we put those people that saw our traffic down here, our content, and became traffic, we put them on an email list, and then we move over and we profit and scale. Yes, there are other things on this that we need to learn and do, but this is the basic framework. The specific strategy that we need to understand is we start with traffic, picking a topic, tools, tech, and time, consistent content, super simple lead magnet, create a bonus if you're an affiliate, link and look for more offers, add people to an email list to build your email list. Of course, automate this, but get to the end game, which is to profit and scale your business. Following with traffic to an offer, add people to an email list, a specific proven strategy alongside the AI to create this using a piece of PLR and my prompt PsyOps strip and flip framework, which again is just a 5-step strip and flip framework, a specific 5-step framework for you to use. Link in the description. Again, it's all about doing all this and putting it together, getting specific, because if you want to see this today and yesterday and the last 7 days and last month, if you want to see this outcome for yourself, you have to understand the secret to ChatGPT and prompting is getting specific and understanding specific strategies to create content that solves specific problems for specific groups of people that have that problem, and then follow a proven strategy like my proven top strategy and use AI to just let it do it for you, help you understand the type of content that you need to create, then create the content. Let the AI build a super simple lead magnet for you, and then a follow-up email sequence. It did all that following the strip and flip framework because it knows and understands what we need. And what we need is to get specific with helping a group of people solve a problem. That's how we use ChatGPT and prompting to make money online. Link in the description. Grab that free PLR. Thanks for watching this one, and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.